This update is for Wednesday, and we're at the 12th of October, 2022, just after 8:30 a.m. Central Time. So, looking at the marketplace, lower in the stock market, down in the metal markets, dollar up a little bit, foreign currency, sort of a mixed bag here. The Bank of England's going to stop this, I'll call it quantitative easing, purchases of gilts. That's, I don't know what else to call it, on Friday. And it's telling all the companies to get their house in order. Yet you're seeing soaring interest rates on those instruments. So who knows what that means. When we take a look at the energies, OPEC came out with a new report to back up their 2 million barrel a day cut, showing how bad demand is going to be in the last quarter of this year and into 2023. Today we get the WASDE report in the grain market, so you're going to get an idea of supply, how harvest is going and the like. And we had a number of key reports come out this morning. So we've got the MBA mortgage headline, every category again down. Last week it was down big, you're again down, and you're hitting now another new high for mortgages. So the U.S. mortgages are shooting up again. They're not far from 7%, folks. They just keep moving up. Now, here's a number that is doing the market in. The PPI headline recap, and the headline number up 0.4%, double what was expected. Ex-food and energy right in line with expectations. The personal consumption up still 4 tons. You want to see that down, not up. So the Fed's job is not finished. This number just keeps the Fed at 75 basis points. The CPI, does it kick it to 100 or does it keep it here? So I'm pretty convinced that barring a crash in CPI numbers, you're looking at a 75 basis point hike. But if the CPI tomorrow, because it's a two-step dance here, you got the first leg in, now we need the second one. Hokey pokey, remember that? That's what you've got going on here. If it's a strong number, too, you may go to 100 basis points. There might be cries come out for that, depending on if it's real strong. The Conference Board Online Help Wanted Index, well, this is going to give us another idea. Remember, we had the jolts a couple of weeks back. Now we're going to see what this is. USDA supply-demand report in grains, as I said, comes out. Notes on the FOMC meeting come out at 1 o'clock. And remember, because of the Indigenous Day, the API and EIA numbers were put back a full 24 hours each. So you'll get the API numbers this afternoon. But as you can see, down just before, up now, it's all over the board. These are going to be pretty crazy next 24 hours of trading going into the CPI part of everything. I want to remind you, I start you off first thing in the morning, and I'm talking 5:30 or so when I start recording my morning video, and I give you an idea of what's going on in Asia, Europe, the US. First the fundamentals, then we go into the chart pictures. And I will mix daily and weekly charts, and I'm doing this as a video. So you're able to see me do things. Sometimes I'll take the charts and go back a few days, teach you what's going on with what I'm seeing in the patterns, where you go with them, what I think should be done. The idea here is I don't want to manage your money. I'm not asking you for that in any manner, way, shape, or form. Rather, I want to be your guide. I want to be the guy you go to and you say, look, I've seen the charts. I've seen what Carter Worth does on CNBC. I've seen what these other guys try to do. And I just do a better job of it. I really believe that. I do a better job than all of them. So if you take a look at what this is and give yourself a shot with it, I think you're going to say, whoa. Now, I do something the rest don't do either. You're a subscriber of mine. You want to get an idea of what a chart picture looks like. You can write me. I will create a short 30-second video, go through the weekly, daily charts, show you what I'm seeing and the reason for it. Tell me you're getting that from somebody else. I doubt it. So to find out more, just go to our website under Market Research. You can also just follow my finger up here with your cursor. There'll be an icon. Give it a click.